Okay, we're good.
What was the name that I was given the other day? I forgot. What was the last
Now number 3 says what requirements must be checked in conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples.
Sorry, he's on
A simple random sample was drawn from each population. The sample mean is normally distributed for each group. The sample mean is up to 0 or A and B. I would go with A and B, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Isn't the test statistic the same as the t-score?
Yeah, it is for this one.
Alright.
So it's the t-score?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Two samples are independent if knowing which subjects will be in group 1 determine which subjects will be in group 2. Knowing which subjects are in group 1 tells you nothing about which subjects are in group 2. Wouldn't it be the second one? Because they're independent.
Yep. Dentist office bills.
Okay. Pull that up real quick.
So degrees of freedom, don't we just you gotta take how many people are in it and subtract it by 1, right?
Actually in
Different now.
Yeah.
It's different now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's no longer that in the independent ones. It's like that for the deep ones though.
Wait, could you say that one more time?
For dependent, like the matched pair ones, you do just subtract 1, but with the independent ones you don't.
Okay, so what do we do for the independent ones?
You have to put it into SPSS and then have SPSS calculate it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they don't have any equation for us to use on this one.
So I'm such good help when they have SPSS, since the iPad can't have it.
Oh, jeez. You're just failing us, Brad.
I know, I'm sorry, but I did real good with the independent subjects one. Alright?
Okay. There's so much to do with SPSS on this one, it's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Okay. So...
Sorry, Brad, there's a lot to put on this one real quick.
Yeah.
That's okay.
You have to like type it in and do 2 groups.
Yeah, you have to like recode it.
Uh-huh. Okay, so it says, what is the degrees of freedom? I got 37.996.
Almost there. Sorry.
they're making another.
Okay, sorry, what did you get?
And the guy.
37.996.
Yep, that's what I got too.
Cool.
Okay, so what is the sample standard deviation for Rexburg? That's 206.637.
Yep.
Did you get that, Brad?
37.996.
Yep. And then,
7.
sorry,
Yeah.
go for it.
Yes, I got it.
Okay, and then on number 7, it's 206.637.
And you had to do that on SPSS too.
Yeah.
Yep.
206 point what?
637.
Okay.
And then the test statistic is negative 0.434.
Yep.
Okay.
And then p-value is 0.666.
0.666.
Uh-huh.
Does that number scare you a little bit? Just kidding.
Well, it is about Rexburg, so.
Yeah. You know, in my I number, there's 666 in there, and it's really scared me there for a little while. I was like, what does it mean?
Oh gosh.
That's funny.
So we would fail to reject the null, right?
Yep.
Yep.
That would make sense.
Suppose your alternative hypothesis is the average of one does not equal the average of second one. What is the correct decision based on this evidence?
Isn't that technically just the p-value because it's either above or below?
Yeah. So would we fail to reject the null again,
Uh-huh.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Use the data file freshman dinner.
Okay.
Sorry, Brad, we're just gonna leave you in the dust here for a second again.
But you just asked me when we need to reject or accept the null, and I gotcha.
Okay.
Okay. It worked out.
Mhm.
Okay, so what was the question? No,
What's the appropriate alternative hypothesis?
okay.
Wouldn't it just be anything but the average because the data you suspect that freshmen from Utah cooked dinner or cook oh whoa I can't read. It says you suspect that freshmen from Utah cooked dinner for themselves a different number of times. It doesn't specify more or less, so wouldn't it be both?
Yeah.
Anything but the alternative or
Right.
the null, I mean.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, and then what's our test statistic? So for that one, I got negative 0.845. Is that what you got?
That is.
Okay.
Okay. What is the p-value? 0.410.
Yep.
Okay. So we would fail to reject the null.
Yep. Okay. And so now use the information and data just above question 12 to construct a 95% confidence interval. And the SPSS actually gives us that.
Oh, it does?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Yep.
So the lower limit is negative 5.137.
And then the upper limit is 2.204.
Okay. That was easy today, guys. Holy cow.
Yeah.
All that SPSS stuff.
It just gave you the numbers. You just had to figure out the equation.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, ready to submit this, guys?
Okay. Yeah, let's go for it.
Oh, what?
Dude. What
What
did
did
we
we
miss?
do?
The p-value.
Value.
Dude, it's the 666 number. I knew there was something wrong with it.
That's weird, because that's what SPSS gave us.
Maybe it's
Oh!
maybe you had to divide it in half.
We did, because look at our alternative.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Yeah.
What it was. We were so close, guys.
Dang.
It's okay. Next time.
Yes.
Yes.
Sweet. Well, thanks, guys.
Yeah, well, you have fun
Have a good
with
weekend.
your forum.
Yeah. You guys too. See ya.
Yeah.
Bye.
See ya.